My name is Randy Nessman. We're running 3-inch 25-foot spacing, and then I'm running that at about 2.7 feet deep. So keeping it shallow, trying to keep it out of the clay, and then a tight spacing. 2 years ago, we started dry, kind of continued the whole year dry. Last year, for instance, we started wet and then we got dry. And I can tell you this field here was about 60 bushel less on corn than a field just a half mile from here that we had fully patterned. So it really showed in that too, getting that corn off to a great start.
We're seeing a lot more variability, that we see kind of some wetter periods and some drier periods. And probably what we've seen a little bit is some wetter spring periods and then maybe a little bit more drier summer periods. Those wet springs can impact early crop development, early root growth, and then drier summers, if you don't have a good root system there, you may not be able to access that water that's in there.
Drainage style is critical for lowering the water table so crop roots will grow deep early in the season. Getting those deep-rooted crops is super important for maximizing the volume of soil that they explore for water and nutrients.
This specific field last year, we replanted 30% of the corn. The field a half mile away, I planted the same time, no replant, and then it yielded. It was like 65 bushel better, across the board. So right there, we did less inputs, and with more of the crop coming off.
One of the things that we have learned recently is that not only does drainage improve crop yield, but it reduces the year-to-year variability in yield. It reduces the year-to-year variability in input needs, nitrogen fertilizer, but not just nitrogen fertilizer, also herbicides, pesticides as well. And by reducing the year-to-year and field-to-field variability in those inputs, it really reduces the risk of farming in these variable weather conditions that really create a lot of risk in farming.